Bonjour, Kinamagi and Nene Ireland Dishnikas, and welcome to this math review lesson. Today's lesson, solving with parentheses. So let's do a little review. With PEMDAS, that P is for parentheses. No matter what we're doing, we're going to do the part in parentheses first. For example, if I had 2 plus 9 times 3, I'm going to do the 9 times 3 first. Oops. So that I get 27. And then I add the 2. So to get 29. Parentheses first. Which is good to know because if I went out of order and I did the 2 plus 9 first, 11 times 3, I'd have 33. It would be wrong. So let's look at another one. Remember, the slash is a division sign. So 6 times 4 divided by 2. What would you do first? Would you do the 6 times 4 or 4 divided by 2? It's in parentheses. So automatically, we're going to do this part first. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 6 times 2 is 12. How about another one? Let's get a little bit of a high school version going here. Three times 2 plus 1. You will occasionally see where they don't put the times in, especially when you get to middle school. They'll eliminate this right here. Let me change the color and show it to you. This will get eventually dropped out so that you can write it more like this. That's coming in middle school. So now I go 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is no different than going like this. So we get 9. So this and this, these two right here, are the exact same problem, 3 times 3. When you're given problems to do on the assignment, do the part in parentheses first, every single time. Then you move left to right. And just as a reminder of PEMDAS, it's parentheses, exponents. Not gonna do much with today. Multiplication and division, and those are equals. You do whichever one's on the left first. Adding and subtracting. And those are also equals. You do whatever one's first. PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So let's look back here at the assignment today and do one or two together. 8 times 18 divided by 6. That's going to be like going 8 times, and what's 18 divided by 6? 3. So 8 times 3, 24. Another one. Yeah, 57 plus 4 times 2. We don't go 57 plus 4 times 2 because that would be 122. Instead, I go 57 plus 8, which is 65. A lot different than 122. So do the parentheses first, no matter where it is, and then whatever the remaining operation is. If you're in the physical classroom, you should complete this page and turn it into the bin. If you're at home, go ahead and fill it in on the Google form. And keep in mind, if you're doing the Google form, It's an example here. 49 divided by 7 will be written like this. I'll put a space, but that's how you would write 49 divided by 7 with that backslash, which is right underneath the question mark on your keyboard. But that's how you'll find that written. So you'll put those answers in, find your correct answer. The other option is if you're at home with the paper and you don't want to put it to Google form, you make sure you put your name, take a picture or scan it, and then send it to me via text or email. If you have further questions, please reach out. I'd be happy to talk one-on-one with you and or find additional links such as Khan Academy. Another spot, maybe Math is Fun. Just remember to do what's in the parentheses first. Hope you all have a Minogijigat. Minwa, Pamapi.